Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best way to make money online in 2018 for beginners without investment. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about the best way to make money online in 2018 for beginners without investment. And this is probably something that you know about, but I just wanted to encourage you to do it. So what is it? It's to build an audience on YouTube. This is completely free to create a YouTube channel, and I wanted you to think long term in building a brand, because those are the businesses that will stand the test of time, rather than just trying to go out and make money with this program or another program. You really want to build an audience, because then you're able to sell anything to that audience because they know, like, and trust you. And the best way for people to get to know you is through video. It's so much better than the written word. Like if you have a blog and you're just writing things out, the best way is if you just get on camera. And even if you're afraid to do it, like when I first started years ago, it took me a whole entire day to make a video for a website. But the more you do it, the better you get at it. And again, it's just the best way for people to get to know you and trust you. So the first thing you want to focus on is not to sell something. And again, you want to focus on the long term, not just like, I'm going to make this channel so I can sell this. You want to focus on, first of all, getting your first 1,000 subscribers. That's going to be your first goal. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to post videos, ideally daily, because YouTube likes daily content that's going to help you to rank your videos higher. And you want to look for keywords with a high search volume and little competition, so that you'll get seen easier as you're first starting out. And one of the things you can do to create content is to find YouTube influencers and search their most popular videos and create videos around those same keywords or around the same ideas. Obviously, you're not going to copy their videos, but you can get good ideas on what to create videos around, because these are what the most watched videos are on their channels. And so you're probably wondering, like, how do I get started? Like, what kind of content am I going to post in the very beginning? What I would do is find a YouTube influencer and see how they started out by sorting their oldest videos first. So I'm going to give you an example. I had gone and I just searched healthy recipes, and I found here at the top this channel. She has over 2 million subscribers. So let's just click on her channel here. And we'll just see how she got started. I mean, she has over 2 million subscribers. And this particular video had over 3 million views. So what you're going to do is go to videos, and you're going to sort in the top right hand corner here, sort by the oldest, and we'll just see, how did she start out, like what kinds of content did she post. So this will kind of give you an idea how she started. Back to school clothing, makeup collection, just everyday kind of things. And that's what I'm going to recommend to you. Is, again, your first goal is 1,000 subscribers, and then when you upload videos in your niche, then they're going to rank higher. But right now you're focusing on just getting followers. And then after that, you can look at the most profitable niches, which are health, wealth, and relationships. So some ideas as you're looking at some top influencers on YouTube and see how they started out, what they posted. Some ideas are my blank routine, so my morning routine, my whatever routine, some places that maybe you've traveled to, but just basically documenting your everyday life and getting people to know, like, and trust you. You can do reviews on maybe some products that you own, and just let people into your life and let them see what you're all about and build a following that way. And then as you go into your niche, these people most likely will be interested in something that you're going to be promoting, because those 3 niches that I mentioned are the 3 areas that people have the most problems in, which are health, wealth, and relationships. And after you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Partners Program with YouTube and get paid when somebody clicks on the ad at the beginning of your video. So this is a way that you could make a full-time income through YouTube, is just through the ad revenue and getting views to your videos. An example is an influencer in my niche, which is make money online, is up to 100,000 subscribers, and he makes over $8,000 a month residual income just from the Partners Program. So you can make money through that as well as you build a following and you build up your subscriber base and then your watch hours, and you can apply for that Partners Program. And then after you get your channel, get your subscribers up, get your views up, you start to go into your niche. Then of course, well, actually from the very beginning, you're going to SEO optimize your videos, and then eventually you will place your links to your product or your service in the description under your video. But at the very beginning, what you're going to do is just have a call to action at the end of your video for people to subscribe to your channel, because that's the intent, is to get your subscribers up to 1,000 so you can apply for the Partners Program. And so you will be posting a link below your videos to your subscribe URL, and then as you go into your niche, then you can post your link to your product or service under your video in the description. So again, YouTube is the best way to make money online in 2018 for beginners without investment, because again, it's completely free. And just look at what some channels have done and what they've been able to accomplish. This is only a channel that's 4 years old, it looks like. So rather than thinking of something for the short term, think of what if you did something for 4 years that would allow you to make a full-time income just by posting videos and doing things that you enjoy, which I'm sure this girl right here is making a pretty good amount of money through the Partners Program, not to mention some of the products that she's selling here as well. So that's my idea for you to make money in 2018 and without investment. It's just something where you have to focus, do something daily, and you're going to become much better at it. I'm going to post some links below this video that will help you know how to SEO optimize your video and how to find content as well, some more information on that. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.